The blue bar on the left-hand side of Teams is called the App bar. You can click on these apps to access different features of Teams. Activity is where you'll find notifications. You'll receive notifications when you've been tagged in a message, added to a team, set a team's assignment, and more. Clicking a notification will take you directly to where that notification originated from. Chat is where you can start a new private one-to-one or group conversation, and also where you can view conversations and meeting history. Click the New Chat button to find those you want to start a new conversation with. You can also click on any existing conversation to send a message and make video and audio calls with those in that conversation. Teams is where you can view all teams that you've created and have been added to. Teams are spaces for you to communicate and collaborate with other students and your lecturers. Assignments is where you can view all the assignments that you've been set across all your teams. Calendar is where you can view your Outlook calendar. You'll see all your upcoming meetings and view their details, join online meetings, and set up new meetings. Calls is where you can make Teams calls, view your call history, and manage contacts. Files is where you can view all your files that you've stored in OneDrive and any files that have been shared with you through Teams. The three dots shows you all your apps that you've added to Teams. Apps is where you can view a range of apps that can help enhance your use of Teams. Think of this as an app store. You can click on an app to find out more about it and add it to your Teams account. Help is where you can find more information about Teams, including some training and details about new developments in Teams.